Today in crypto. Bitcoin has been slowly trending to the downside over this week. The first cryptocurrency by market cap seems to have lost momentum as uncertainty spills into the crypto market from legacy markets. Welcome back to the Crypto King YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel and turn up post notification. News headlines as follows. Bitcoin falls as inflation fears start to return in the US. Bitcoin Technical Analysis Report: will Bitcoin finally break $24,000 or is another crash in the cards? After the decline in the last 24 hours, the crypto market has turned red again. Stagnant price action could be the start of another downturn, as many experts are beginning to doubt whether US inflation is peaking. Bitcoin price, which rose to $24.5 thousand, again fell below $23,000. It is currently trading at $22.9 thousand. Ethereum also dropped from $1,764 at the start of the week to as low as $1,570. It has since risen a bit and is trading at $1,624. Inflation fears rising. Trivariate's CEO and founder, Adam Parker, explained in an interview with CNBC that he believes the CPI figures will continue to stay high. The Consumer Price Index is an important indicator used by the Fed to measure inflation. However, many experts believe that this is a lagging indicator that will not relax for a long time. According to Parker, he did not see anything from the Fed that pointed to pigeon intent. Chris Toomey of Morgan Stanley also announced that inflation had not peaked yet. He also pointed to state of global GDP as a cause for concern. According to him, this inflation is now seen as structural rather than temporary. Its impact on crypto. The rise in inflation can have a severe effect on the crypto price. The Federal Reserve curbs inflation with quantitative tightening and rate hikes. In June, the Fed increased interest rates by 75 basis points, which led to a crypto bloodbath. Another bad CPI data and an unusually large increase from the Fed could cause the crypto industry to return to a bear market. BTC Technical Analysis Report. Bitcoin funding rates. The funding rates, a very useful metric to identify the futures market sentiment, have been printing positive values over the last few weeks. All this leads to the dominance of bullish sentiment in the futures market. Despite the bullish market structure and the current short-term increase in price, the macroeconomic and geopolitical picture is presently fixed in tension. Anxieties of another war in the East are causing ripple effects. Ultimately, the current positive funding rates could be a curse, as seen in early April 2022. They could lead to a long squeeze and a subsequent liquidation cascade, leading to another significant drop, alongside a bearish continuation below the $20,000 mark. Hence, it wouldn't be wise to rule out the bearish scenario completely, as higher funding rates could lead to more volatility in the short term. The daily chart. Bitcoin's lengthy downtrend has come to a halt over the last few weeks, as the price has been supported multiple times at the $17K $20K range of the 2017 all-time high. BTC has been struggling with the $24,000 resistance level recently, after breaking above the 50-day moving average for the first time since April. If the cryptocurrency finally breaks the $24,000 level to the upside, the 100-day moving average would be the first obstacle before the $30,000 supply zone. Alternatively, if the price fails to break above the $24,000 area, the 50-day moving average could now act as a support. Regarding next week, all eyes will likely be fixed on the $24,000 mark, as the price action in this area would determine the market trend in the short term. The 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour time frame, the price is still trapped inside the bearish flag pattern after testing the higher trend line for the third time and being rejected once again. The bearish flag is a continuation pattern, and if the price fails to break above it, Another drop towards the $17,000 level and beyond would be likely. The market is currently experiencing chopping price action as the weekend approaches, and a clear direction cannot be identified. The RSI, a useful indicator in determining the dominance of bullish or bearish momentum, is also oscillating around the 50% mark, pointing to the current uncertainty in price action. The next few days will be key, as the next big move would likely shape around these prices. The cryptocurrency has lost its 200 days simple moving average, SMA, at $22,800. In the short term, recapturing this level is crucial to maintain the bullish momentum. Bulls need to sustain BTC's price current levels and push beyond its 200 SMA to prevent the cryptocurrency from retesting previous support levels. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. This video is strictly educational and is not an investment advice or a solicitation to buy or sell any assets or to make any financial decisions. Do your own research. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss new videos. Be sure to leave a comment, share the video, and like. Thanks for watching, guys.